YouTube channel Siddhi Classes. In our last video, I discussed the syllabus of class 10, English language and literature, and today we are going to do writing skills and grammar, which is of 30 marks. In this, we are going to start a very small topic today, which is determiners. I hope you got the syllabus which I told you yesterday. So let us start with our topic determiners. Let me tell you about the writing skills and grammar. In this, 20 marks is our writing skills and grammar is of 10 marks, which will be checked through editing or omission exercises, some error and correction exercises, or it may be jumble words, or it may be sentence reordering. So let us start with the topic determiners. Determiners. What the determiners are? These are the words placed or used before a noun to determine or fix its meaning. These are the words placed or used before a noun to determine or fix its meaning. Means ऐसे शब्द determiners वो शब्द होते हैं जो कि किसी भी noun के पहले यूज किए जाते हैं उसके प्लेस को या फिर उसके मीनिंग को डिटरमाइन करने के लिए या फिर फिक्स करने के लिए. लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस. Apple. I should say apple. How many apples you can see here? One. Now, four. Now, we can say it as many apples. So, what we have used is many before the apples, and these apples are noun. 4 apples. This 4 is before noun. So here it is a determiner. And here it is also a determiner. In the real sense, we use an apple. N for 1. This is a noun. And again, here it is an determiner. So, as I told you, determiners are the words placed or used before a noun to determine or fix its meaning. किसी भी noun के पहले उसके मीनिंग को यानी कि उसके मतलब को या फिर उसके पोजीशन को उसके स्टैंडर्ड को फिक्स करने के लिए जो भी शब्द यूज किए जाते हैं those are known to be our determiners. For example, first I made one apple. पहले मैंने एक सेब बनाया था, तो सिर्फ सेब अगर आपको पूछने लग जाए कितने सेब, एक, तो दिस एक यानी कि n is a determiner. Then I grew 4 apples. Then if someone is going to ask you how many apples, you will say 4. Then this 4 is a determiner. Then I made many apples. I drew many apples. And someone is going to ask you how many apples and you are not able to count them, then you will say many apples. So many here is a determiner. I hope you would have understood the concept of determiner, and slowly we will be going through the concept. Okay. One word is used here before a noun. First of all, you note it down. After that, I will be telling you what the noun is. Okay, then I was telling you we have used a term noun in this. First of all, for understanding the determiners, the use of determiners, we need to understand noun. What the noun is. Noun. Simply speaking, anything which can be given name is a noun. Simply, noun can be understood as anything which can be given name is a noun. As we are studying from our childhood, noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Noun is the name of a person. Noun is the name of a person, place or thing. So the main content is in this is name. यानी कि किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या प्राणी के नाम को ही हम संज्ञा कहते हैं. तो हम दूसरे तरीके से ये कह सकते हैं कि कोई भी चीज में क्या आ जाता है, व्यक्ति आ जाता है, वस्तु आ जाती है, स्थान आ जाता है. व्यक्ति में क्या क्या आ जाता है, जानवर आ जाते हैं, मनुष्य आ जाता है और पक्षी, कीट सब कुछ आ जाते हैं व्यक्ति. यानी कि व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान या प्राणी के नाम को हम क्या कहते हैं, संज्ञा कहते हैं. सो हियर एनीथिंग विच कैन बी गिवन नेम इज अ नाउन. यानी कि कोई भी चीज जिसको हम नाम दे सकते हैं उसे हम नाउन कहते हैं. दिस इज ऑफ 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 kinds. One is your proper noun, another one is your common noun, third one is your abstract noun, and collective noun, and your last one is material noun. We are not going to discuss these in detail. I will be giving you the brief introduction of all these nouns. Proper noun. This is the name of a person. I am speaking about name of a person or place which are unique or which have unique identities. For example, my name is Deepika. There are many Deepikas, but not like me. So I have a given name, a unique name. So my name is a proper noun, or I am a proper noun. Another example is Taj Mahal. And the Taj Mahal is the single one in the word. That is why that is also a proper noun. Common noun, we say it as common noun means common noun is, for example, doctor. Doctors are many, but Dr. Saxena is different, Dr. Isha is different, many doctors. Doctors with the name, if name come in front of the doctor, then it becomes a proper noun. But if we simply say it, doctor, then it comes in the community of common noun. And the lawyers, doctors, teachers, animals, they stand in common noun. Next is our abstract noun. Our abstract noun is which we cannot see and touch. The things that can only be felt are known to be the abstract nouns. For example, happiness, we cannot see that. हम खुशी को देख नहीं सकते कि कैसी होती है, but we can just feel that down. So abstract noun. Collective, collection of things is known to be the collective noun. Collection of things means this is a key. This is a single key. If I keep it in a ring, and there are 2 to 3 keys. So this is a collection. The collection of things is known as collective noun. For example, this is known as bunch of keys. Bunch of keys. So bunch is a collective noun. Or the basket of fruits, a flower pot which is containing many flowers is known as collective noun. Our last one is material noun. As we also study in science, matters are of 3 types: liquid, solid, gas. Anything which can be categorized in these 3 is known as material noun. For example, liquid, oil, ghee, water; solid, soil, fan; solid, stone, sand, etc. And gas, oxygen, nitrogen. Gas, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. as you are studying. So here we have taken a brief introduction of noun. Now let me continue with our determiners. You first note it down, then I am going to rough it. So I hope you have understood the definition of determiner. There are 6 kinds of determiners. First one is articles. Number 2, articles, possessive, demonstrative, distributive, articles, possessive, demonstrative, distributive, quantifiers, and 1 is 6. Articles, possessive determiner, demonstrative determiner, distributive determiner, quantifiers and numerals यानी कि numbers. This is a single topic. We will be covering this in another video, and these 5 we will be discussing one by one in this video, and I will be making a second part of determiners for the further discussion on determiners or advanced discussion on determiners. Let me continue with this. You first note it down and make the chart. After that we will be continuing with one by one discussion on these determiners. First, possessive determiners. These are possessive nouns possessive pronouns which are used as determiners in the sentence. Before a noun. These are possessive pronouns which are used as determiners in the sentence, or these are used before a noun. For example, her, his, their, are, your, his, her, their, are, your. Example. This is his car. This is his car. Here the car is a noun and his is a determiner, possessive determiner. One more example we are going to write. That is your notebook. Note it down. Number 2, demonstrator. Determine. Demonstrative determiners. This indicates things or people. In relationship to the speaker. Or writer. In space or time. These are this, that, these, those. And this and these, this and these indicate the nearness, and that and those indicate furtherness. Let me give you an example. This car is mine. Those girls are playing. Here, car is a noun and this is a determiner. And here, girls are the nouns and those is a determiner. Written? Let me go on the third one. Third one is our distributive. Distributive. Determiner. Distributive determiner. This refers to a person or thing, one at a time, यानी कि क्या दिखाता है कि जो ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन्स है उनको ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट मतलब बांटना, एक एक करके बांट के दिखाता है. वन एट अ टाइम यानी कि किसी भी व्यक्ति या वस्तु को एक बार में एक दर्शाता है. कौन कौन से होते हैं? ईच, एवरी, ईदर and neither. For example, each girl in the class is intelligent. Boys, you please don't mind. Here I have written girl. each girl in the class is intelligent. Here girl is a noun and each is a determiner. What I am going to tell you is, what I want to make you understand is कि ये जो girl है, each girl in the class है तो काफी सारी लड़कियां रहेंगी, लेकिन हम हर एक लड़की को क्या करना चाहते हैं, सिंगल कैटेगराइज करना चाहते हैं. तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू से प्राची, दीक्षण, मनीषा, मुस्कान. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू से दैट everyone else. Manisha, you are intelligent. Meenakshi, you are intelligent. Prachi, you are intelligent. If I want to say about a community of people and I want to categorize them one by one, जैसे कि मैं क्लास में कहना चाहती हूँ, सभी लड़कियों को ये बात कहना चाहती हूँ और एक एक को पर्सनली भी मैं यही बात कहना चाहती हूँ, तो क्या कहूंगी, ईच गर्ल इन द क्लास इज इंटेलिजेंट. यानी कि क्लास में जो हर एक लड़की है वो क्या है, होशियार है. Another one example is, neither you nor I will go outside in the period of lockdown. The example is, neither you nor I will go, sorry, neither Ram nor Sita will go outside in this lockdown. Sorry for that. You and I are the pronouns. And here we are going to use only nouns. So Ram is a noun and Sita is a noun. Neither Ram nor Sita will go outside in the period of this lockdown. यानी कि neither का यूज करा जाता है एक नेगेटिव सेंस में. ना तो राम ही बाहर जाएगा और ना ही सीता बाहर जाएगी. राम इज अ नाउन एंड neither is a determiner. Neither Ram nor Sita will go outside in the period of this lockdown. ना तो राम ही बाहर जाएगा और ना ही सीता बाहर जाएगी इस लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में. Let me tell you one thing. Neither is used for a negative impression and either is used for a positive impression. Either means या तो आप या मैं, यानी कि दोनों में से कोई एक, either, और neither दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं. नोट लिख लेते. नोट. Either is used in a positive sense and neither is used in a negative sense. Negative sense. Either for positive, neither for negative. Okay, note it down. Okay, let me go on our next one. Fast. Only two are remaining. One is, number 4th is quantitative or quantifier. Determiner. What this tells us about the quantity of a noun. Quantity of a noun. For example, let me see. This is glass. Water is here in the glass. And I'm going to ask, कितना पानी? कितना पानी? Then you are not going to say one or two. एक या दो आप नहीं कहने वाले हैं, या फिर फर्स्ट और सेकंड आप नहीं कहने वाले हैं कितना पानी के लिए. And you are going to say some water, much water, more water. You are going to use. So quantity here means not the numbers. Example, let me see. What are these? Many, much, more, etc. etc. Example, I have many pens. When you are not able to count them. Many pens. मेरे पास बहुत सारे पेन है. Another one example is I want more rice. I want more rice. यानी कि मुझे और चावल चाहिए. ओके. जब हम किसी भी चीज को नंबर्स में नहीं डिटरमाइन कर पाते हैं, then it is quantitative or quantifiers. Okay. Let me go on the next and last but not the least, fifth, numeral. Numeral determiners. Numeral determiners. What are these? These are the numbers used before a noun. Which are these? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm writing in mathematical. Okay, you can also write it in the words. First, second, 5, 7, etc. Okay, etc. So I should say I have, example, I have 2 mangoes. I have 2 mangoes. Mangoes here are nouns and 2 here are determiners. Another one is Sita comes first. Sorry. Sita is the first student in the class. Student here is a noun and first here is a determiner. First here is a determiner. So we have seen our 5. As I told you, we will be making another video for our articles. If you have any questions, you can write in the comment section. And in this, pens are the nouns, rice are the nouns, and many is the determiner, and more is the determiner. Please note it down. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, do like and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel Siddhi Vinayak Classes. Thank you for watching.